Hi, how are you, my little scientists? Welcome to our science lesson. We are still in Unit 5, Organisms and Their Environment. Lesson 2, What are adaptations? Our objectives for today: to identify adaptations that help organisms to survive, to explore the cause and effect relationship between an organism's habitat and its adaptation. What are adaptations? An adaptation is a trait or characteristic that helps an organism survive. Watch out! The alligator snapping turtle has a strong jaw. It uses to catch prey and defend itself. The turtle blends well with its surroundings to hide from threats. What is the adaptation do the alligators have? Excellent. They have stronger jaws that help them to catch prey and to defend themselves. What is the adaptation do turtles have? Very good. Blending well with their surroundings. Now, I want you to open your books on page 283. All organisms have physical characteristics, how they look. Their behaviors are also a characteristic. Look at the images of this octopus. What is different between the two pictures? What characteristic of the octopus changed? How does this change help the octopus? I don't want you to worry about the right answers. I just want you to put and write down your thoughts. Yes, maybe the octopus blends into its background to hide from predators or to catch food. Now let's go to page 284. Very interesting. Blackberry bushes are hardy plants. They can grow nearly anywhere. But this is just one adaptation of the plant. An adaptation is a trait or characteristic that helps an organism survive. Look at the picture to learn more about this plant's adaptations. Let's go to question 2. Write the letter on the picture to label the adaptation this plant uses to survive. A. When animals eat a berry, its seeds are scattered after passing through the animal. B. Blackberry branches have many sharp thorns. C. The leaves and stems grow back quickly, even after very cold weather or after a wildfire. D. Blackberries also spread from roots underground. Where do you think I should put letter A? When animals eat a berry, its seeds are scattered after passing through the animals. Excellent. B. Blackberry branches have many sharp thorns. I'll give you time to think. Yes, that's great. C. The leaves and stems grow back quickly even after very cold weather or after a wildfire. Where are the leaves? Excellent. Now D. Blackberries also spread from roots underground. Good job. To check your understanding, let's do this question together. Which adaptation enables a raspberry plant to spread seeds that may grow in a new location? Select the best answer. Is it A. Spreading underground roots, B. Quick growing stems, C. Berries that attract animals, D. Branches with thorns? Good job! Berries that attract animals. Animals that eat raspberries transport seeds to new locations. Now please open your books on page 285. Plants aren't the only organisms that have adaptations. Animals do too. An organism's adaptations are related to its habitat. What is a habitat? A habitat is where an organism lives and can find everything it needs to survive. What do animals need to survive? To survive, animals need food, shelter, water, and a place to raise their young. Earth has many different habitats within oceans, forests, rivers, and wetlands. Look at the first picture. Parrots have strong wings because they need to be able to fly from tree to tree in their natural habitat to find food. I have some questions for you. What makes up the habitat of the parrot? Excellent! Trees, smaller plants, air, sunlight, and living things. Another question. How does the parrot interact with its habitat? Very good. The parrot gets food and water from its habitat. It gets shelter in the trees. What is the adaptation do parrots have to survive? Yes, they have strong wings that they need to be able to fly from tree to tree. Now let's move to picture number 2. Emus are birds that have small wings and strong legs. They run quickly in their habitat because they can't fly. What is the adaptation do emus birds have? Very good. They have strong legs. I have another question for you. Do you think emus birds can survive in parrots' habitat? Of course not, because they can't fly. Now let's move to picture number 3. Vampire fish live in rivers in South America. They have a mouth full of very sharp teeth to catch the smaller fish that make up their diet. What is the adaptation do vampire fish have? Yes, a mouth full of very sharp teeth. Now let's move to the last picture. Look at this wild goat's teeth. Wild goat teeth are flat for grinding up the plants. Now please open your books on page 286. Question 3. Fill in the blanks with the letter that matches the adaptation. I will give you time to fill the blanks. Please, if you feel that you need more time, pause this video. Are you ready? Let's start. A. Spiny covering. B. Strong jaw. C. Drops tail. D. Period of inactivity. Where do you see spiny covering? Very good. Strong jaw. Excellent. Drops tail. Well done. Period of inactivity. Perfect. Now I have a question for you. Do you use more energy when you are moving around or sitting still? Excellent. Of course, we use more energy when we are moving around. Which adaptation of the lizard would help it save energy? Is it A, B, C, or D? D. Period of inactivity. Which adaptation of the lizard discourages predators from eating it? I will repeat my question. Which adaptation of the lizard discourages predators from eating it? It is A. Well done. Now, which adaptation of the lizard would distract predators? Which adaptation of the lizard would distract predators? It is C. Drops tail. Last question. Which adaptation does the lizard use to attack predators? It is B. Well done. I am so proud of you all. A spiny covering protects the lizard from being eaten, while a stronger jaw can be used to attack if the spiny covering doesn't stop the predator. The armadillo lizard can also drop its tail to distract predators, or the lizard can't fight off the predator. A period of inactivity allows the lizard to survive in an environment where there may not be enough food. You have done a great job. I am proud of you all. See you soon.